Hi there guys, good afternoon to you. It's Lewis here from Trend Signal, today's trade of the day. It's Wednesday the 29th of April, around about 4:30 in the afternoon. Wanted to go through a pretty decent 20-pointer on the Dow Jones we had triggered earlier this morning. Dow Jones, that's the US30 or Wall Street. You might see it as Wall Street on your broker platform. It sounds a bit flippant, but we don't really mind the name of the market, I guess. The way in which we interpret trend signal and trend signals indicators is uniform regardless of market and actually time frame as well. Just so happens we had one on the Dow Jones 15-minute chart in front of us. We'll go through it now. It's a 3-indicator process. We're looking for a yellow disc with either a green or a red circumference, the colour of which tells us whether we're buying or selling. Pretty straightforward. The red circumference here on this candle, that was 10:15 this morning, indicates a sell is about to happen. We're looking for 2 remaining things. We're looking for the trend line at the bottom of the screen here, changing from green to red as well. And finally, this vector average. Can you see that line intersects all the candlesticks here? Again, pretty straightforward. You probably guessed it, changing from green to red as well. Now actually, all 3 indicators married up at the closure of this particular candle here, which actually was at 10:30 this morning. The level there, if you're interested, was 18121. 18121. We're shorting this market, so we're selling the Dow at that level. Our stop would have been at the recent swing, so around about that particular level there, about 18140 roughly. That sort of region. Our target, well, we know that our target is always determined by the 4-hour, the corresponding 4-hour. What I do is I've got the Dow Jones 15-minute chart here in front of us. I look at the Dow Jones 4-hour chart to give me a real flavour of where the overall trend is. Now actually, as it happens, the 4-hour is uptrending, would you believe? So this small downswing here, we can expect it to be a downswing. It's still opportunity, of course. It just means, it just means that it's going to be a smaller swing, if that makes sense. In circumstances like this, it basically translates as looking for a fixed 20-point target. That's it. So again, looking at our entry at 18121, our stop at 18140 roughly. Our target therefore 18101. So down here, that region there. I'll play it forward now. We can see what happened, what occurred. It sort of farted around a little bit, didn't it, for the next sort of couple of hours, really. Did nothing for the earlier part of the afternoon. Categorically smashed the target there at about 12:30, so around about 2 hours later, really. So excellent way of picking up 20 points. Do you know, there's nothing more frustrating than entering a trade at this particular time, point here rather, hitting a target only to see the price absolutely dive. Look at that. If I bring this out with a bit of perspective here, look at that price. Much more than 20 points achieved, or they're available. Of course, we only know by looking at trend signal, we only know at this point here the probability, okay? We know the probability of hitting our target, which is there. If I could give you a 75% chance of hitting that target, or an unknown percentage of getting more than that, what would you take? Answer's obvious. People go with trend signal because you're trading with a mathematical edge. We are probability traders here. And that's it really. That's today's trade of the day. We had a fantastic webinar last night, so thank you all if you happen to attend that one. We'll be following up people, well, the remainder of today and the remainder of this week as well. And that's it from me. So thanks for watching and hopefully catch you later. Cheers. Bye-bye.
If you would like more information about trading the right way, Trend Signal is giving you the opportunity to see and hear about its services live at a free online seminar. Take a look at the Trend Signal website for the latest events and to book your free place.